Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In today's tutorial, we will discuss about one more core module named as events. As you guys know, Node.js is pretty fast in working, and the basic way of why Node.js is working very fast and how it works, because it's work on events and event loop, as we had discussed in our previous videos in detail. And you know, guys, very well how events work. Normally there are a lot of objects, they are emitting events, they are configuring events. So uh, one of them is events basic core module. So today will talk about the events core module from Node.js. So let's take an example, and we will make a code on top of that example to understand the events module in better way. So let's say we have a shop, and there is a door of the shop. As soon as any customer pass through the door of the shop, there will be one event that will emit and ring the bell to notify the receptionist that someone is in the shop and say, please welcome to the customer. So let's check how it will work. So let's come to the code. We will import an events module by using require. As you see, like, we haven't write any folder name because it's a core module, as we had explained it in the last video. We will not be required to add any folder or fully qualified path to import the core modules in Node.js. So let's create a new variable event emitter by using the core module events dot, sorry, it should be equal to events dot event emitter. Okay, so now new object is created using event emitter. So let's write one function called ring bell, and in that function we will make console.log, and we will say ring and ring. So this bell will be ringed as soon as the customer pass the door. So let's configure that function in the event emitter. Event emitter dot on. We say door pass. As soon as the customer pass the door, call the callback called ring bell. So this is the pretty normal example of configuring the event. Here, until here, our event is configured. Now let's call an event emitter dot emit. What event we are going to pass? Door pass. So let's say we had the customer passes the door. Here event will be emitted, and compiler knows that once passes door event is done, we should call ring bell. Let's go and check this one out. Node app.js. Mm, it's saying event emitter dot on. We forgot to pass new here. We must create new objects. So let's start this one here, and you can see, like, ring is there. The bell is ringing. It's saying that please pass the event, please emit the event. That door is passed. The customer passes the door. So once this is emitted, compiler knows this is emitted, so this function should be run. So this function is run, ring. So let's say once the function is run, we should the customer ring the bell, and the customer is inside. We want from our reception to pass welcome message to the customer also. Let's say that how it will work. We will configure another event called welcome. Okay, here pass an anonymous function, and in the anonymous function we can pass message, and we can say console.log message. That's it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. This event is configured. Now, welcome message is configured. When we have to emit that event, once the bell is ringed, after that, we have to pass that event. Okay, we can emit this event and we have to pass the welcome to our shop message as well. So let's go and check it out. As you can see that ring 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 is done and welcome to our shop is printed out after that. So here we are passing the message as second variable as a parameter that is being used as a parameter for our callback and printed out here in the console log. First, this is the one like we can see new event emitter is created. Ring bell is the function where we are ringing the bell and emitting the another function named another event named as welcome. So we have two events now, door pass and welcome. Once customer passes the door, call the ring bell event. And once customer ring the bell, after that emit the welcome message to the customer. So it's pretty much easy and clear how to use events. I hope you guys understand it. That's it for today's video. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. And for today's video, that's it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.